I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today we're going to be going over how to install condensation control blanket with a window. For more detailed information how to install the condensation blanket itself, refer to our condensation blanket install for walls. Once you've installed the condensation blanket, you will tack around the opening of the window. Then you will trim with a razor knife along the inside edge of the rough opening of the window frame. Then pull off the excess insulation around the sides prior to installing the window. Once you've installed the blanket and you've pulled off that insulation around the outer edge of the window, you will install the DURA-SKRIM. The minimum width of the DURA-SKRIM would need to go a foot on each side of the window. In this video, we have a wider 12-foot roll because it's the more commonly used product. You could cut it down if you feel more comfortable or just leave it wide like we did in this video. Now we're ready to install the window. Please refer to our window installation video for more details. The condensation blanket is a great option to include with any pole building. If you're interested in this product, please contact Locke Buildings today.